വെൽക്കം ടു അവർ ചാനൽ. നമ്മളിന്നിവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് അക്കൗണ്ടൻസിലെ കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 1. ഇൻ പർച്ചേസ് ബുക്ക് all dash purchases of goods are recorded. Option A direct, option B indirect, option C credit, option D cash. Answer is option C credit. Question number 2. Outstanding pages appears in the trade balance taken only in option A trading account, option B profit and loss account, option C asset side of balance sheet, option D liability side of balance sheet. Answer is liability side of balance sheet. Question number 3. Dash is created for replacement of fixed asset or repayment of long-term liabilities. Option A capital reserve, option B reserve capital, option C sinking fund, option D common good fund. Answer is option C sinking fund. Question number 4. Which transaction results in decrease in assets and decrease in liability? Option A purchase of land, option B purchase of land on credit, option C issue of debentures, option D redemption of debentures. Answer is option D redemption of debentures. Question number 5. Sale of scrap on credit is recorded in option A sales book, option B purchase book, option C cash book, option D journal proper. Answer is journal proper. Question number 6. Balances of personal and real accounts are transferred to option A trading account, B profit and loss account, C income and expenditure account, D balance sheet. Answer is balance sheet. Question number 7. If whitewashing expenses debited in building account, it is an error of option A clerical, option B duplication, option C principal, option D omission. Answer is option C principal. Question number 8. In a non-trading concern, dash is not a capital receipt. Option A life membership fee, option B legacies, option C interest received, option D grant from government. Answer is interest received. Question number 9. Provision for bad debts appears in the trial balances is option A expense, option B anticipated income, option C liability, option D assets. Answer is liability. Question number 10. Accounts of revenue and expenses are also called dash accounts. Option A permanent, option B temporary, option C real, option D tangible. Answer is temporary accounts. Question number 11. The difference between income and expenditure account is called option A cash in hand, option B cash at bank, option C profit and loss account, option D surplus or deficit. Answer is surplus or deficit. Question number 12. Claims against the assets of a business firm is called option A owner's equity, option B outsider's equity, option C total equity, option D capital. Answer is total equity. Question number 13. Cash float is also called option A fluid resources, option B liquid cash, option C impressed amount, option D assets. Answer is impressed amount. Question number 14. Transactions from the day book is posted to ledger called option A minutes book, option B general ledger, option C deposit register, option D none of these. Answer is general ledger. Question number 15. Preliminary expense is a dash expense. Option A revenue, option B capital, option C general, option D deferred revenue. Answer is deferred revenue. Question number 16. Preparation of trial balances helps in locating errors of option A, complete omission, option B, partial omission, option C, duplication, option D, principal. Answer is partial omission. Question number 17. Dash means money spent on acquiring fixed assets. Option A, capital expenditure, B, revenue expenditure, C, deferred revenue expenditure, option D, none of these. Answer is capital expenditure. Question number 18. Provision for depreciation is shown in option A, debit side of profit and loss account, option B, credit side of profit and loss account, option C, asset side of balance sheet, option D, none of these. Answer is debit side of profit and loss account. Question number 19. Permanent decrease in the value of an asset through wear and tear in use or passage of time is called option A, reserve, option B, provision, C, depreciation, D, investigation. Answer is depreciation. Question number 20. Dash account is not balanced. Option A, personal, option B, bank, option C, discount, option D, real. Answer is discount. Question number 21. The term depletion is related with the dash assets. Option A, current, B, intangible, C, wasting, D, fictitious. Answer is wasting assets. Question number 22. Dash is a name sake assets. Option A, fixed, option B, current, option C, tangible, option D, intangible. Answer is intangible. Question number 23. Difference between current assets and current liabilities. Option A, working capital, option B, equity, option C, circulating capital, option D, none of these. Answer is working capital. Question number 24. The relationship between consignor and consignee is option A, debtor creditor, option B, principal agent, option C, agent principal, option D, none of these. Answer is principal agent. Question number 25. Accountancy begins where dash ends. Option A, auditing, option B, transaction, option C, bookkeeping, option D, scrutiny. Answer is bookkeeping. Question number 26. Reserve for doubtful debt is option A, charge against profit, option B, appropriation of net profit, option C, administrative expense, option D, general reserve. Answer is charge against profit. Question number 27. Example for consignment liability is dash. Option A, liability under a guarantee, option B, liability under unpaid salary, option C, liability to pay insurance premium, option D, none of these. Answer is liability under a guarantee. Question number 28. The trading account is prepared to ascertain the dash. Option A, net profit, option B, gross profit, option C, working results, option D, none of these. Answer is gross profit. Question number 29. Consignment account is a dash account. Option A, personal, option B, real, option C, nominal, option D, none of these. Answer is nominal account. Question number 30. Credit note is prepared by option A, debtor, option B, creditor, option C, buyer, option D, seller. Answer is seller. Question number 31. Adjusting heads due to is A. Option A, assets. Option B, liability. Option C, contingent liability. Option D, none of these. Answer is asset. Question number 32. Interest on capital is a dash to the business. Option A, expense. Option B, income. Option C, adjustment account. Option D, profit. Answer is expense. Question number 33. Purchase of furniture is debited to purchase account. It dash the agreement of trial balance. Option A, will affect. Option B, will not affect. Option C, sometimes affect. Option D, none of these. Answer is will not affect. Question number 34. First column in the petty cash book. Option A, date. B, expense. C, receipt. D, none of these. Answer is receipt. Question number 35. The journal entry having more than one debit or credit is called a dash entry. Option A, contra. B, compound. C, opening. D, closing. Answer is compound. Question number 36. Non-official transactions are not recorded in account because dash concept. Option A, entity concept. Option B, dual aspect concept. Option C, cost concept. Option D, money measurement concept. Answer is money measurement concept. Question number 37. Change in the value of current asset is called option A, depreciation. Option B, fluctuation. Option C, appreciation. Option D, loss. Answer is fluctuation. Question number 38. Life insurance premium of proprietor is added to dash account. Option A, insurance. Option B, drawings. Option C, cash. Option D, none of these. Answer is drawings. Question number 39. A written evidence in original is said to be option A, primary voucher. Option B, secondary voucher. Option C, collateral voucher. Option D, none of these. Answer is primary voucher. Question number 40. Petty cash balance is option A, liability. Option B, an income. Option C, an asset. Option D, expense. Answer is an asset. Question number 41. The difference in figures is dash and causes for their existence are brought to light. Option A, reconciled. Option B, overwritten. Option C, suppressed. Option D, corrected. Answer is reconciled. Question number 42. NPA means option A, net present asset. Option B, net profit on asset. Option C, net profit analysis. Option D, non-performing assets. Answer is non-performing asset. Question number 43. Accounting period concept is closely related with the dash concept. Option A, equity. Option B, materiality. Option C, cost. Option D, going concern. Answer is option D, going concern. Question number 44. This statement prepared by the consignee and sent to the consignor is called option A, pro forma invoice. Option B, account sales. Option C, invoice. Option D, none of these. Answer is account sales. Question number 45. Dash is allocation of cost of an asset over period of their lifetime. Option A, capital. Option B, reserve. Option C, depreciation. Option D, expense. Answer is depreciation. Question number 46. Source document of credit sales of goods. Option A, invoice. Option B, copy of invoice. Option C, pro forma invoice. Option D, none of these. Answer is copy of invoice. Question number 47. Loss on sale of fixed asset is shown. Option A, asset account. Option B, profit and loss account. Option C, balance sheet. Option D, capital reserve. Answer is profit and loss account. Question number 48. All business transactions are firstly recorded in option A, daybook. Option B, ledger. Option C, trial balance. Option D, none of these. Answer is daybook. Question number 49. In business, goods purchased for resale purpose is an option A, expense. Option B, loss. Option C, income. Option D, liability. Answer is expense. Question number 50. Valuation of closing stock is based on the dash concept. Option A, equity. Option B, matching. Option C, conservatism. Option D, dual aspect. Answer is conservatism. Thank you.